look at that.
What in the world is that?
I can't believe my eyes.
We have found something. Maybe a tank wreckage.
I'm gonna follow it. Son, you don't know how much this thing can worth.
I have found something incredible, but I need team to dug it out.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now.
A little more to the left.
Hold it. Stop right there. All right, hit this section here. Careful with the rust penetration. We need to check the thickness after the weld.
We could fix this, but need parts.
Subscribe and like to this channel for helping me getting parts.
All right, grab that one.
All right, one more hard swing on that pin. It's starting to separate now. Get the cart ready. Clear the platform. Start the lift now. Lifting slowly. Watch the right side. All right, take the tension.
Easy now.
Clear on this side. Keep it coming up. Lift it up. Higher, push it in. Hold it steady there. All right, bring it out. Keep it slow.
The excellence demonstrated in this Renault FT17 restoration sets a new standard. Congratulations to the entire team.
Absolutely magnificent. Well done, gentlemen, well done.